Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will explain about ARGS and KWARGS. If you like my video, please like, subscribe and comment. So, the ARGS are usually used for positional arguments. What are positional arguments? For example, we have a function ABC and this function receives three arguments. First one will be A, second B, third C. So these are positional arguments. So for example, if you call the function ABC and pass 1, 2, 3, no, it's not the same as if you call the function and pass 3, 2, 1. Because the function understand that for the position number 1 you will give it some value. For position number 2, that is B, you give another value. For position number 3, you give it another value. So for example, if we print A, in the first case A will be 1 and the second will be 3. You can see 1 and 3. So this is positional arguments because they tied to the position. Very easy to understand, right? Then we have keyword arguments. You generally use KWARGS. Key mean keyword arguments. So, for example, we have the same, not the same, but very similar function that is, we can use the same function. ABC. But to use positional arguments, we need explicitly to assign value to each argument. Like this, ABC. For example, argument B will be 5. Then argument A will be 4. And C will be 1. So now we can see that the argument, this one, is 4. And for example, if we change the order, so it doesn't matter because the function receives the arguments by name. This is called keywords arguments. Now, in the case if you don't know how many arguments the function will receive, you just use args and asterisk. That will mean that the function can receive any number of arguments. Now, and this will be converted to list, for example, args 0. But if we want to pass a dictionary and using the keyword arguments in our dictionary, we need to use a KWARGS and two asterisks. So this name doesn't matter. You can put any name here. But general convention is to use this for keyword arguments and args for positional arguments. This is used for dictionaries and one asterisk is used for lists. But the name doesn't matter. Now, if you want, so this is called packing. If you want more information, I have another video on my channel. If you like my video, please like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.